Shed the weight of days untouched, clothes falling like forgotten skin. The dark pulls me with colder hands, whispers, you're not who you've ever been. I reach for you through all the hush, but distance keeps rewriting fate. Even the stars turn their faces away as I sink beneath their quiet weight. Now I'm drifting in the dark. The cold keeps calling out my name. A lost heartbeat in the deep, and nothing feels the same. Still I hope you'll find me here, where the light can't even breathe. 'Cause I'm falling deeper, deeper down, but your warmth could rescue me. The water breathes like a wounded beast, its pulse becoming part of mine. Every echo is a ghost of you, a lighthouse I left behind. My hand floats toward the dying sky, hoping yours might meet it halfway. But silence grips me with jealous fists, won't let your voice reach where I stay. Now I'm drifting in the dark. The cold keeps calling out my name. A lost heartbeat in the deep, and nothing feels the same. Still I hope you'll find me here, where the light can't even breathe. 'Cause I'm falling deeper, deeper down, but your warmth could rescue me. If you hear the ocean speak my fear, follow its trembling sound. 'Cause even in this endless dark, it's your name I drown in